We are going to make scones. Yummy, yummy scones. Each group will need a glass, greaseproof paper, a baking tray, a bowl, a spoon, a pen, a knife, a glass, greaseproof paper, a baking tray, a bowl, a spoon, a pen, a knife. You will need the following ingredients: baking powder, sugar, flour, milk, butter, salt, sugar, salt, butter, baking powder, flour, milk. Step 1. Add these ingredients to the bowl. "50 grams of butter, 50 grams of sugar, 250 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Step 2. Rub in all ingredients. Use your fingers. Continue until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. Step 3. Add some milk to the mixture. Step 4. Mix with a knife and then with your hands. Step 5. Shape the dough until it is round and 3 centimeters thick. Step 6. Make 4 to 6 scones and place on a baking tray. Step 8. Write your name onto the greaseproof paper next to your scone. For example, Joe, Tom, Stefan, Elise, Sarah and Pierre. Step 8. Heat the oven to 220 degrees. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes. And then, yummy, yummy, your scones are ready. Bon appétit!